like to congratulate Mr. Dakin on the purchase of his 2011 Toyota Tundra. Congratulations.
All right, guys. Louis Heron, here we go again. It's the middle of June already, guys, and we're doing it big. Now, this gentleman came all the way from Roswell to come down here to the lovely borough of Milledgeville to get a Bigfoot truck. Now, he got the big tires and all that, guys. This is a nice-looking truck. If you want a truck, this is the spot to do it. If you want a car, this is the spot to do it. You want a sport utility or a van, this is the spot to do it. You don't have to come all the way from Roswell. We sell cars to people right here in Milledgeville. It doesn't matter. Lake Oconee, Milledgeville, Roswell, don't matter, guys. So it's the middle of the month. We're already off to a great start. You got to help us keep going. We got to have a bigger June than we did in May. That's going to be hard to do because we had a crazy May. So look, guys, we need your help. You got to jump up off that couch. Come on down here. Now, you can come see Craig. Craig will be glad to sell you a car, or you can see any other salesman we got, but you got to come on down here. Then after you buy the car, guess what? This is what you get to do. Watch this. There you go. Louis Heron Toyota, guys. Come on down here. You can get a Bigfoot truck, too. Louis Heron Toyota. Here we go.